Hello friends, I am your friend Akshada, and in this system programming series we are going to learn today, that is von Neumann architecture. Von Neumann architecture. A von Neumann architecture is based on the stored program computer concept, where instruction, data and program data are stored in the same memory. This design is still today used in most of the computers. So see, this is nothing but the diagram of von Neumann architecture. First input device, output device, then this is a central processing unit which consists of control unit, arithmetic logic unit, registers. Registers are PC, CIDR, EC, MAR, MDR and a memory unit. We will learn one by one components now. See, the total units or main components of von Neumann machine are input unit, output unit, arithmetic and logical unit, control unit and memory unit. So first is input unit. Computer accepts coded information through input units which reads the data. The most common input device is the keyboard. Whenever a key pressed, the corresponding letter or digit is translated into corresponding code. So the examples of input unit are mouse, keyboard, joysticks. Output unit. The output unit sends the processed result to the outside world. The familiar example of such device is a printer. So the examples of output unit are modem, CD drive, floppy drive, etc. Next is arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit performs operations like multiplication, addition, division, not, or, and, etc. Operands are brought into memory. Operands are brought into ALU. Sorry, not in memory. Operands are brought into ALU where the necessary operation is performed. So this is the task of arithmetic and logic unit, where all the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, not, or, and such type of operations are performed. Next is control unit. Operations of ALU, memory and input and output unit are coordinated, controlled by the control unit. Control unit sends the control signal to other units. Data transfer between the processor and memory are done by control unit by using the timing signals. Now we will see memory unit. So the memory unit is nothing but to store all the information in a group of memory cells. Each memory location has a unique address and it can be addressed independently. The memory unit stores all the information in a group of memory cells, and that is called as binary digit. So I hope you understand the von Neumann architecture, which consists of input unit, output unit, arithmetic logic and unit, control unit and memory unit. Thank you.